Diksha, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show her garden. At present I'm in Kerala and my in-laws are growing few vegetables in her garden, the small place that we have. So I thought of recording this video mainly because during lockdown I was here and I have seen what's happening. So we were not supposed to go outside to buy vegetables, right? We were utilizing the vegetables that was in our garden. It's really helpful. So I wanted to encourage the people right there. Whoever has small area, it's okay, it's fine. You can grow vegetables in the flower pots or in a grow bags that you have. Okay, if you have a bigger place, then well and good, you can grow more vegetables, right? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So I have had a few hints here how to grow vegetables, what manure or what fertilizer that's been used. Okay, because I did not have any clue how to grow plants. Okay, so if this video is too long, I will divide this video into two. Okay, so if you like to watch, you can please watch, and if you have any negative or positive comments, please put in there. I will read all the comments and I so that I can improve myself. So thank you so much. So let's see what all plants has been grown. Okay, come on. So the interesting thing that I found is this lady's finger flower. Such a beautiful flower for this vegetable. I really didn't know that a lady's finger had such a beautiful flower. So this is the lady's finger that stands out there. So first the flower blooms and then this lady's finger acts like a stem. So see, you can see here. Okay, this is how the lady's finger has been produced. See, such a beautiful flower. Inside there is a different shade. So we have around 5 to 6 plants of lady's finger, and daily we get around 6 to 7 lady's finger. It depends on daily basis. See my kid pulling the plant. Okay, so we are growing these plants in the grow bag as well as the pots. Okay, so this is the fertile mud that's been used, and I will show you how to do that mixture later. This is one more plant that I'm showing, that's bitter gourd. Okay, so can you see this such a small bitter gourd that's already grown? We are still waiting for the bitter gourd to grow. So this bitter gourd and the lady's finger, the procedure is same, so I thought of recording it in the same video. So look what's standing there, banana. So I thought of just capturing it because it's also a attraction here. So I'll let you know the procedure to plant the lady's finger. We need to wait for the lady's finger to dry in the plant without plucking it. So I have pasted the picture how it looks after it's been dried. So once done, you can take out the seeds and dry it again for few days. And then stop drying it under the sunlight. You can just keep it aside for 20 days, say. And then now we can plan for planting. So before that, after 20 days, soak the seed in the water for 3 to 4 hours and then later tie it in a cloth. Next day, sprinkle water. So morning if you sprinkle, evening when you open the cloth, you can see it has sprouted. Now you can prepare the manure with all the powders that was shown and plant this sprout in the grow bag. And then once you can see the leaves coming out from the sprout, you can then pick each plant and grow it in a different pot or the grow bag. I will show you how to prepare the mixture, the manure mixture. Okay, so you need to take the mud, okay, and then mix sand and then mix cow dung powder. You will get it in the market. The coir pith, chagri powder. So exactly what you get in the market is this. Okay, so and then it is a slake lime, the white powder, what is coming up next. So you need to mix all these together, sprinkle little water, mix it and keep it for 2 days. Neem cake, this is neem cake, this is called as Vepila pinaka, and then bone meal powder.
So these two mixture you need to spread it when you are planting the lady's finger or the bitter gourd. That is, in the grow bag already you have the manure mixture, right? So when you are planting this, take out little mud and then spread this mixture, the neem cake as well as the last two things what I said, the neem cake and the bone powder, and then plant this, the lady's finger and the bitter gourd. So you need to add only little water initially. So as the plant grows, you can increase the quantity of the water.
So I've taken all the photos from the Google. So these are the bitter gourd seeds. So it's the same procedure we need to follow. And I'll show you some of the organic fertilizer used. Neem oil for the leaves that's getting infected by the insects. It's an insecticide. And also groundnut cake powder. So it's a kadla pinnaku in Malayalam, okay? And then one more is a cow dung powder. So these two powders we need to mix and keep it in the water. Okay, mix it in water actually. And then next day, once the mixture gets settled down, you need to take only the water and pour around the plant. So this way my in-laws are growing these two vegetables, and similarly I have other vegetables also. I'll try recording in other videos. So bitter gourd and lady's finger seeds, you will get it in the market too. So if you don't want to take the trouble of drying it, you can just buy it from the market. So I have also added the benefits of these two vegetables at the end. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you till I come with another video. Thank you so much for watching.